Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar's upward momentum paused just beneath its 8-month peak as traders reassessed risk amid the cooling rally. Despite recent bullish signals, the currency faces resistance now around that key area of 68.40 after being challenged many times around August and also back in July. However, a break above this level could extend gains towards the region of 69 to 70 cents, which is presently in favour due to the firmer technicals and the bullish ADX. However, cautious sentiment suggests traders should closely monitor signals and adjust strategies amid potential volatility. Last week, the global markets welcomed the Fed's jumbo half a point or 50 base point interest rate cut, with Federal Jerome Powell emphasizing recalibrate to describe the policy shifting during his FOMC speech. Looking ahead, traders now face a key test with multiple public appearances by the US Federal Reserve officials, which may offer some insight into the coming rate cuts expected in November. Furthermore, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, the Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, the PCE, will be released alongside other crucial economic data, but still the main event will be on Friday to the inflation data of the PCE. So with all eyes keeping an eye on that level of 68.40, any pullback may find support around the level of 67.75 or firmer from 67.45. Turning to the euro, the market capped off a strong, volatile week following the Federal Reserve's first interest rate cut since 2020. Looking to the technicals though, they are somewhat bullish and therefore still keep an eye on this key level of 112 figure 15, as a break there would give further scope onto 113 or even onto 114, as the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, holds around the region of 100.50. Overall, with a further weaker play and another 100 points down for the dollar, should see a break potentially through that 112 figure 15, and any pullback finding support around 111.35 and a slightly firmer case around 110.80. A very volatile price action on Friday for dollar yen as the market surges towards the level of 144, but finding a little bit of difficulty now as the market appears to maybe finding a cap close to the level around 143.90. Overall though, I feel the market is a little bit overextended and getting a little bit carried away with itself after the Bank of Japan's decision to keep interest rates steady at 0.25% on Friday. If we do see the market resume its bearishness, then the support looks towards 142.80 and down to 142. The stellar performance when it comes to sterling after the Bank of England kept rates on hold at 5%. Nevertheless, there is still much talk that they may actually cut rates in November. Furthermore, the top side looks towards the region of 134 as a potential target, or even if we go to the monthly time frame, we can see that 136 is very much on the cards and reassess from there. Any pullback likely to be shadowed to around 132.45. Looking at gold, well, the market is powered on since breaking above 2,600 and now looks towards the next target seen around 2,800. But it's going to be a bumpy ride from that call, with immediate resistance seen around 2,625 and then on towards 2,633 to 2,650. Any pullback is expected to be shallow, but still look towards the region of 2,611 or around 2,597 to 99. And wrapping up with oil, the market closed slightly firmer and posting its second straight week of gains following the US rate cut. Nevertheless, with the technical still holding somewhat firm, I feel the market can potentially reach the region of $72 a barrel. With any pullback, could be a little bit to the deeper side, but support seen around 70.10 to 68.80. That's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the new week.